Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom residence for sale. It offers luxury and comfort with breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. It is located at Hatfield Meadows in St. James. Set on half an acre of lush, fruited land. The property features expansive outdoor space, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. The main house includes spacious living and dining areas, a modern kitchen, and multiple ensuite bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom. In addition, a self contained 1 bedroom apartment provides privacy and convenience, ideal for guest or rental income. The well maintained grounds boast a variety of fruit trees: avocado, mango, starfruit, breadfruit, nasberry, custard apple, sweetsop, soursop, June plum, banana and plantain, etc., adding a touch of natural beauty and serenity. With panoramic sea views and a peaceful setting, this exceptional home offers a rare opportunity to enjoy both coastal living and with proximity to all amenities for a comfortable lifestyle. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 695,000 or Jamaican $109.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.